my God! Today, we're gonna be durability testing and speed running the Jiusi RC. Let's get into it. Make sure to stick around to see the rowdy stuff we do with this truck.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, we're at the same place again.
Oh no. Oh no.
Does that say Truckus or Super Sport?
I think it says whatever you want it to
Truck
say.
Super Sport. Okay, well, Jiusi Race.
Jiusi RC.
Is that how you say it?
I think so. Today, guys, we are going to be reviewing a PT14R. As he puts tape. Oh, it actually didn't do anything. It was clear tape. Why did you rip the WW?
No, we don't. That's probably their old website. They don't want people going.
Oh, they put that? Okay.
They probably don't want people going.
Fair enough. Walk us through it, Byron. What do we got here?
Okay, so we got a 14 scale monster truck. Comes with your controller, your truck. It's a little gas diesel tank in the back. That's cool. Super four-wheel drive.
We're going to be
14
testing that.
plus. I don't think I can play with this.
Got
the cool color one.
We got the purple?
The purple one.
Yay. What is that stuff?
Trash.
Okay. I think that's go-go juice. Yep.
Ooh.
Whoa, look at that lipo.
Cool.
Is that a 2? S or 3?
It doesn't have a battery. Only battery.
You done robbed my bats. Oh, this truck's actually pretty nice. Yeah,
that is dope.
Yeah, the little scale stuff on this truck.
And it's all about to fly away.
Get a gander at what's in this truck.
Joke. Oh, it has 2 batteries.
I think the other one's the only one that's charged. I didn't know it had 2.
Anyways.
It comes with a battery in there.
Yep, 2 batteries.
Is that a metal chassis? Let's look.
Jinx Yomi,
a DRC?
No.
Oh.
I'm thinking,
Oh, you a reef servo?
no. Let's see, what do I want?
Do, 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 do.
I think next September you should buy me a BMW X3M.
All right, cool. Well, if we hit 100,000 subscribers, maybe I can.
Okay. On what platform? So I'm just going to go and make a lot of random accounts.
They're all going to be Byron 1, Byron 2, Byron 3. Check out these shocks, though, guys. They're pretty cool little metal shocks.
Honestly, this is built, so if you look at it, how this is, what does it look like? Can't say that out loud.
Oh, even the motor's gold, guys. This is pretty cool. And it's
All
metal
gold,
shock,
am I right?
metal shock towers.
Hold on. We got a stun on them.
Oh.
Let's get it going.
I think this thing is going to be a nice little ripper. It's got 4-wheel drive.
I said let's get going. Quit talking about stuff.
Okay, all right.
Get away from me. We're going to play.
Wait, what did you just discover? It has lights? Whoa.
We'll plug it in backwards so it like catches fire.
Okay, I think that's wonderful.
Get in the hole. Are you too good for your home? Huh? Happy Gilmore.
I know, I think Byron is back at his element. How does it feel to be back?
People are going to love it. Okay, you're on. Oh, I need to put you at 100.
The throttle wasn't at 100? All right, guys, we're going to be putting this thing to a speed test.
We're going to put this ghetto
right there on top of the lights. How fast do you think this thing is going to go, guys? Comment right now down below. I think it's going to go 35. What do you think, Byron? On the box, does it tell us how fast? Right there, 80 kilometers. So someone do the math. Is that like 12 miles an hour or something?
Kilometers. 140 miles an hour, dude.
Oh, 140?
Kilometers are lower than miles per hour.
Okay, so 140 is what we're shooting for, guys.
Get it right or get it tight.
Anything less than that's terrible. Oh. Well, here's this little guy.
That thing.
Okay, it's already rowdy. Rowdy.
Ow.
Rowdy. Oh, look at the little lights. Got me. All right, here we go. Let's go track. Too poor. It says we're too poor. Let's see how fast will this little thing do today. Oh. I already know Byron can open it up.
I can't. It's not steering.
Why is it not steering?
It's really not going to the
Did
left.
you, was that the steering control you messed up on there and
No,
not throttle?
No.
Why are we not steering to the left out of the box? You were just able to steer, weren't you?
Yeah, I can steer to the right.
Oh, I wonder if maybe when you ran through the rubble, if you got something in there.
There we go.
We're going 2 miles an hour doing that stuff. Till 14 go by. Yeah. Little 14. Okay.
Oh.
It landed it. It landed it.
That was peppy. No wonder they put it on 20%.
That's what it starts at? Here we go. Oh my God. You know what, Byron? You did a good job on that GPS. Double-sided sticky tape for the win. It didn't go flying, I don't think. What? This thing's rowdy. Dude, you're gonna be able to do like 100 flips with this thing. Oh my, there goes my GPS. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at that tire.
Did we already lose? I think you already lost front wheel drive.
Look at that tire.
No, you didn't. Oh my
I
God.
think I did.
Yep.
Oh, just pop the dog bone out.
We have to go pop that back in so we can finish our review. Will it do wheelies still? Yeah. All right, well, we'll get our GPS, pop that back in, and finish the review. That kind of...
What? How fast did we go?
Oh, yeah, we didn't
That
even...
was as fast as it's going to go. Cause
We didn't even get to that. So where's we at?
honestly-
GPS right there. So let's go. Stop. Read. 43. Dude, that's pretty crazy.
Insane.
That thing is rowdy. That thing is stupid rowdy, man.
I just broke the LED.
Oh yeah, the LED bulb's coming on.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at the wind coming off.
Yeah, the wind is crazy.
You just like it riding on the hood. Riding on the roof. Can you flip it back over?
That's what I'm trying.
You can steer it real quick. Pop it. Oh, you got it. You got it. Maybe not. This little thing is rowdy. You're walking your pet.
Oh, no, so I think it's something else to do.
Nuh-uh. Don't lie. Oh. Oh, it's just locking up in the front. I think you probably melted the hub in there. So this one cannot take a curb hit at 100% throttle. But after we repair, we'll be right back.
I'm trying to decide on what to take out.
Field repair.
Yeah, I'm going to go this way.
Field repair.
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, guys. Actually, let me show you a cool function on this phone. It records you and it now. All right, guys. We're going to be testing out the speed. My turn.
That's horrible. We need to get rid of this.
No.
How do we get rid of
I want
this?
the people to see your head the whole time. I'm going to be testing the speed on this car now since Byron couldn't keep it straight. Let's go.
Is this how you record?
Why is it not rowdy for me? Okay.
Hey, be careful. Be careful. You might break it. It's not fragile. It's
Oh,
it's
yeah,
just
this
rowdy.
is a good road here, bud. Check this road
Oh,
out.
look at that road bump.
This road here, bud. Good.
Oh.
Road here, bud. Good. There.
You should hit that coming back, though. There's a bump! Oh my God! That thing flew. Something just grabbed your GPS and ran off. It looked like a little duck.
Is it a bird?
I think it's a duck.
A duck just swallowed my GPS?
Yes.
Dude.
Did you see that
We're
zebra?
in Dallas. The ducks are out here stealing, bro. All right, where's my GPS now?
That's what I'm saying. Flew. No, it's way over here. It's way over here somewhere. It's right there. It's right here.
Thank you.
I got it closer to you.
All right, GNS.
GNS.
Do you want to test it now?
42. Oh, yeah.
42. Okay.
So, I mean,
It has more in it, though.
we don't really have a good place, though.
Yeah, we're in Dallas, guys. We're not at my usual speed run spot. So we wanted to do this unboxing up here in a different place.
You're not supposed to be within 200 feet of this place.
I'm
are you?
pretty sure at least 3 of our viewers are not supposed to be within 300 feet of this. All right, hold
Yeah,
on. Are we still reading?
Okay. Oh, I forgot to follow it.
Dude, that that was full throttle, guys. So that's gonna be the best test we have. I actually did get.
My big old forehead. I had to
love
get that
how
in.
You're in that the whole time.
I know people are gonna be like, "What the? These new iPhone 18s are legit, dude."
All right, Byron. What did we get? I'll take the
Oh.
phone from you.
I don't know. What did we get?
44.
You were about to say 50.
I thought it was
You
50.
special.
Let's let Byron go destroy this thing at the skate park. What do y'all say? What do you say, Byron? Because they can see you now.
How about it? We just let me have it now.
Thank you, iPhone 17, for letting us see Byron's
This is
beautiful
an 18,
face.
bro.
The 19? Get to see Byron the whole time.
Peasants. Poor things.
Do you think this thing will even make it back over there
No.
for you? Okay, well, let's try it. We're not even making it to the skate park yet. This is unscripted. What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm scared of this thing.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Did the tire blow?
No, I think we just,
It sounded like it was about to blow. It went,
I think we
"Oh."
love this light. He gone. I was waiting for it. Did you just hit the curb or did you?
I think I cleared the curb. Where's it going?
Dude, it's down the hill. Wait, before we go to the skate park, there's a ravine down there, Byron.
I think it probably fell into the ravine.
Okay, we'll be back. Yeah, I see the truck.
It's on its wheels.
It's on its wheels, and it's good. I don't know if this thing's waterproof.
Well, we're about to send it into the ravine, like launch it over into it.
Okay.
So
Sounds
if it flips over, I'm walking away. I'm just letting you know I'm not going down in there.
All right.
There's no way to get down in there.
Oh my God! Dude, you're good. Dude, that was amazing. Yes! Okay, not so much this time. Do we got self-riding? Oh, I cleared that. I hope it's waterproof. Oh my God. Oh, we're all the way in the water now, bud. We're all the way in the water. ESC's underwater. Oh no. There's no way out of this one. That didn't work. Oh, that's working. Oh. Okay, Byron, I got it. Oh my God. He's trying. Okay, I got it. I'm walking on my heels. Good to go. It's a little wet, but it's good to go. He's giggling all the way over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! 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 Yes! Yes! Peak velocity! Peak velocity! Yes! Oh my God! Wow. Wow. Hold on, I think you did done blow. No? I guess you're good. No throttle? No throttle. I think the battery just died. Oh. Okay. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh no, the wheel! He's gone. He's gone. He made it up the hill though. Jesus, Byron. The LED light bar's hanging on. He's three-wheeling it. Three-wheeling it. Oh God. This little thing is rowdy. I found my tire. It's being preserved by the water. Oh, this was great. I accidentally stopped the film. That was perfect. Oh no, the tire's floating away now.
Yeah, I have no throttle now.
Yeet.
That didn't work out.
You trying to push it back down here? Okay, I'm gonna go get the car. Okay. Nice shot. Well, I picked up the car. Byron has no throttle, but the fan is on, so I think no steering. The ESC wouldn't have went out though, because the fan's still on. Yeah, I think battery just died, guys. This thing's pretty rowdy. This thing might actually make it to episode 2. That's kind of crazy. Mobbing out, mobbing out.